Hello, my name is Christian Chia, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer at the OpenRoad Group. At OpenRoad, we understand how our actions impact both the community and the environment. And advancing environmental sustainability is top of mind, and we want to put our best efforts forward. Our pollinator program puts our smallest associates to work. Our honeybees are vital to our sustainability initiatives because they use the natural environment to address various ecological issues. They help the community learn about environmental responsibility, the significance of bees, and of course, pollination through the colonies. We created this program because it encourages a closer connection with nature, which helps keep our communities sustainable.
Hi, my name is Sharon Rupel. I'm Vice President of Regional Operations at OpenRoad Group. By incorporating sustainable changes into our daily activities, we hope to raise awareness for ecological resilience. Our Pollinators program contributes to our environment, social, and governance goals by supporting sustainable practices and conservation efforts. We also hope to prevent long-term climate risks. Pollinators are essential to our ecosystem's health and offer a variety of benefits that are vital to reducing the effects of climate change. Protecting and nurturing pollination groups is important to maintaining our habitats now and into the future.
Hi, my name is Shay Studler and I am the ESG Manager at OpenRoad Group. Pollinators play a key role in our communities and our environment. Supporting our bee populations is one way that we can minimize climate-related risks by increasing pollination. Pollination is important to our local ecosystems because it directly supports the formation of our forests and green spaces. But our program is not just about sustaining the bees, it's also about sustaining our communities. Our beekeeping efforts provide opportunities for education and involvement. We aim to spread greater awareness of conservation activities and encourage the community to join us as advocates for a more sustainable future.
Hi, my name is Kurt Gill. I'm the General Manager at BMW Langley. Now there's a lot of buzz about our bees. There is a parallel between BMW and our bees. Both are recognized for their technical perfection. Bees are known for their elaborate hive structures, which are meticulously created to suit certain roles within the colony. Every bee has a specific job to do, and they all collaborate well to make sure the hive survives and prospers. We all know that BMW is well known for its highly precise manufacturing. BMW vehicles offer the ultimate driving experience and are noted for their high performance, cutting-edge technology, and attention to detail in design and construction.
Hi, my name is Ian Lai, and I'm the resident beekeeper for OpenRoad Group. By educating the community about pollinators and the significance of preserving their future, OpenRoad has become an avid supporter of pollinators. When helping pollinators, conservation often comes down to the choices you make. You can support pollinators in the community by establishing pollinator-friendly habitats in urban and rural areas. You can involve planting native flowering plants, creating green spaces, and incorporating pollinator-friendly features into landscaping projects.